Okay, we are off stage to the Wall Street Hotel. The PR Net is hosting the Future Focus Marketing and Communications Industry Conference today. Our VP of Creator Agency and Partnerships, Rita Lake, is actually mediating a panel today. Okay, I kind of have to hurry, but this is the fit. Woo! I think I'm gonna add this little blazer on top. This is a little cold. All right, perfect. Let's go. After a quick stop for coffee, we finally made it to the financial district and on to Wall Street. This historic hotel is absolutely beautiful. There I am. The event was on the 15th floor, and I was able to snag this video of Risa and the other panelists before heading outside to hang out with LK creator Simply Sin. The panel was about what's next in influencer marketing, and who's better to mediate than LTK.
We're purchasing over $3.6 billion annually from LTK creators. Brands are consistently looking for rationale for their spend, who they spend it on, how much they spend. They're also looking to figure out really what are the right creators and how do they work with them. As we talk about the performance and the power creators have to drive sales for these brands, there's also emotional impact to a creator and a brand and to the audience, and there's that affinity, loyalty behind those partnerships. There's also the intersection of art meets science, and that's a really tough conversation to have sometimes with marketers.
There was such a great turnout, and it was such a fun day. But it's time for me to head home. Bye, guys.